I'm in a 2014 Chevy Sonic, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood, and then you make sure the vehicle's cool and turned off. You don't want to work with the system while it's hot because it's set up under pressure, and this coolant, it can get to a boil, so you don't want a bunch of boiling poison to shoot out all over you. Make for a bad day. But this is the compartment we're going to work with, and with your coolant you want to match to the color as best as you can, and ideally the same brand of coolant you've been using, because it's best not to mix and match if you can help it. That said, you'll just unscrew this, and then you would fill here until you get to the full line, which you can see on the side, somewhere around in here. And you don't want it all the way full, there is supposed to be some air gap. But once it's full, you'll just screw this right back on, all the way till it's nice and tight. And then check all around the motor, through the lines, through the reservoir, around the radiator as best as you can to look for any possible cracks or leaks. You could see some little puddles of coolant around if there is an issue, or a line that needs replaced, for example. And another way to check while the vehicle's on and the coolant circulating, you might see some puddles form under the vehicle or around the motor. And a way to tell that versus water condensation that also could form is, well, a few ways. One, the color of it should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell to it. And then you don't really want it on your fingers, but say you have a glove on or something like that. If you feel it, it should have a slight slickness texture to it versus what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.